What's up guys, welcome back into the channel. So obviously if you guys have been with the channel for a while, you know exactly where we are. But if you are new, this is where the YouTube channel pretty much started. This is the little shop. We poured concrete in here, I don't even know how many years ago, but this is where everything got started. So today we are gonna be cleaning this place up. It's a mess. We got stuff laying around everywhere. We got cardboard everywhere. I want to get this place cleaned up. So in the event like Jimmy back here, we need to pull his truck motor. We can pull it in here without taking space up in the big shop and get that thing yanked out. And it's also nice because the cherry picker is just on the other side of the wall here, so we don't have to load it up and take it all the way up to the big shop. So we're actually gonna hopefully get all this stuff over here picked up, like the welding tables moved to the front, all the junk along the wall over here, the gas cans. I got some square body parts up there. I got some 98 door panels and doors and all that. So we're just gonna hopefully get a lot of this stuff cleaned up. So like I said, in the event that we get Jimmy's truck in here, get the motor pulled, he's gonna probably end up taking it over to Chad and having him look over it. And then also my buddy JD, the one that had the big F-250 that was up in the big shop. He's got a, what year is his truck? 97? Yeah. 97 Silverado. Just a two-wheel drive extended cab. Needs a transmission, so we'll probably pull it in here, drop the tranny, put the new one in. Like I said, so we're not taking any space up in the big shop. We can do it all down here. So in today's video, we are gonna get this place organized. Well, I don't know about organized, but at least cleaned up, get all the stuff off the walls, all basically hopefully just get everything picked up and these tables moved so we can actually pull something in here. So enjoy the time lapse, guys. We're gonna get started. Alright guys, there we go. As you can tell, the shop is fairly clean. We got a lot of stuff picked up. 79 is loaded down. Still, I mean, it's not the greatest. Like, we have some old oil up here and stuff that we need to get out, go throw it in the burn pile or do something with it. I believe those two are empty up there. A lot of this stuff's just whatever. I'll bring the shop back up here. Probably suck up a lot of that sawdust, just get it picked up. But no, it should work. Plenty fine to get Jimmy's truck in here. I think we'd have plenty of room. We'll kind of angle the back of the bed towards the door, so kind of pull it in at an angle, and then we'll have plenty of working space up here in the front. But I just want to kind of give you guys a little update. We will hopefully here shortly have his truck in here getting the motor pulled, and then he can have it built and get it off of my property. Get it out of here, and then like I said, my buddy JD is going to be bringing over his 97. We'll be changing the tranny in it. I'll kind of supervise that as he's underneath of it, and so is JD. No, I'm just joking. We'll all get it pulled, tackled, get it all, I mean, just taken care of, because, well, it's a lot easier when you have friends that can come over and help versus you trying to do it by yourself.
Well, not only friends who know what they're doing.
I say Jimmy's pulled his motor out of his truck, what, 3 times now?
Yeah, I've that motor out 3 times.
So yeah, the truck that's right, you can kind of see it right there. But no, like I said, we're gonna get that motor pulled out. But before we do that, I think next weekend we're gonna work on JD's truck. Yeah. So hopefully we can get it pulled in here. And that's the thing, like I said, we have this shop space, so why not use it? And the thing is, if we spill something on this shop floor, I'm not gonna be too concerned about it, because we actually poured this shop floor ourselves, and I mean, it's not the most level, but it serves its purpose. So if we spill something on it, I'm not gonna be too mad about it. I mean, obviously up there in the new shop, we just painted that floor, and I don't want like the tranny fluid or oil or whatever spilling on it and like sitting on it. So we'll use this. Like I said, the engine hoist is right behind that door, so we'll use it to yank Jimmy's motor out. We'll probably have to bring a jack and a couple of tools down here to pull the tranny, and then obviously Jimmy's truck. But we still have tools down here. It's just not the variety that we have up at the big shop. But no, guys, I hope you guys kind of enjoyed this little video. Thank you to Jimbo and Shyler. So anyway, guys, remember, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'm the GM man. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.